The Commission of Investigation that was inquiring into the Grace case has found that the evidence doesn't suggest that she was subjected to emotional, physical or sexual abuse. The Commission's final report was published on Tuesday and runs to 2,000 pages. While the Commission's findings doesn't suggest that the evidence shows that she was subjected to this abuse, including emotional abuse, there were a number of findings in relation to neglect. Part of that neglect is in relation to the standard of care that Grace received from Mrs. X, who was the foster mother who she was placed with at the time. Part of that neglect was in relation to Grace's dental care, and it resulted in her needing 7 teeth extracted. There was also issues in relation to neglect when it came to the standard of care with her clothing and with her hygiene. There was also findings of financial abuse where the Commission found that the evidence showed that her weekly disability allowance wasn't going towards Grace. There was also findings in relation to the HSE and the South Eastern Health Board, which found there was a general absence of oversight and monitoring. You can read more about this story on the Irish Independent website.